Welcome to our channel. If you've been a victim of consumer fraud and need to report it to the FTC while building your case, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit ReportFraud.ftc.gov, the FTC's official complaint reporting website. This is the centralized system for reporting consumer fraud, identity theft, and unfair business practices. Step 2. Gather all relevant information before starting your report, including the company name, contact information, dates of transactions, amounts paid, and copies of receipts, contracts, or correspondence. Step 3. Click Report Now and select the category that best describes your complaint, such as imposter scams, online shopping, credit and debt, or identity theft. Step 4. Provide detailed information about what happened. Explain how you were contacted, what claims were made, how much money you lost, and the method of payment used. Step 5. Include information about the fraudster or company, including names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, websites, or any identifying information you have. Step 6. Upload supporting documents such as emails, text messages, contracts, receipts, or bank statements that document the fraud. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your complaint. Step 7. Submit your complaint and print or save the confirmation number for your records. The FTC adds your complaint to a secure database used by law enforcement agencies nationwide. Step 8. Take additional steps to protect yourself and build your case. Report the fraud to your local police if significant money was lost. Contact your bank or credit card company to dispute charges, and report to your state attorney general's office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.